Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm here with my yet another Savannah ka haul. Basically, I'm here with my beautiful summer का Savannah haul. पिछले एक दो टाइम से जो भी मैं Savannah से ऑर्डर कर रही हूँ ना, इनके क्वालिटी, इनके डिजाइन्स, इनके प्राइसिंग एंड इनके फिटिंग इतने सही हो रहे हैं. When I received this order of mine, I was literally jumping as to how beautiful the pieces are. So these are all the stuff that I have, and I received it in this huge box. So yes, without further ado, let's quickly get started with today's video. Let's start one by one in no particular order. मैंने 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, I literally ordered 11 items and out of which एक cord set मैंने दिया था, वो भी out of stock हो चुका था and मुझे पैसे refund हो चुके हैं. So this is what I ordered. I am so sad. I was literally looking forward to this very beautiful cord set. एक cord set मैंने मंगवाया था, वो भी cancel हो चुका है. So this is the cord set that I ordered. It is in this beautiful 100% cotton का बना हुआ है, plus white color में है, and it just looks so good. I was literally waiting for this one and ये out of stock हो चुका है. Let's start with the 2 denim items that I got from Savannah. They literally turned out to be the best denim that I purchased ever from Savannah. Savannah से shopping करते हुए I think 1 या 2 साल हो चुका है. लगातार मैं करते आ रही हूँ. But this two just turned out to be the best denim pieces that I have ever ordered or gotten from Savannah. And अगर आपको ये लगता है कि H&M के denim बहुत ज़्यादा महंगे आते हैं, especially इनके denim skirts वगैरह, denim skirt मैंने H&M से लिया था around 2500 के आसपास मैंने लिया था. So you can literally get the same exact design, मैं बोलूँगी, if not the quality, the same looking beautiful denim skirts, denim jeans, shorts वगैरह, Bermuda shorts, normal छोटी shorts अब आपको मिल सकता है from Savannah at literally half to half the price. So let's start with the beautiful denim Bermuda shorts that I got. It is not my style, but I really wanted to go ahead and try one for myself, and I wouldn't say it looks the best on me because मुझे लगा ही था कि ये थोड़ा सा चटपटा हो सकता है. It might or might not suit me, but if I go and wear this in a very straight style way, then हो सकता है कि ये actually में अच्छा लगे. So this is the beautiful high-waisted vintage light wash destroyed denim Bermuda shorts. Retails for 1390 rupees, but again like I said कि Savannah के अंदर सेल चलते रहता है, तो आपको चीज़ें आधे दाम में मिल जाते हैं. प्लस अगर आप मेरे कूपन कोड को लगाते हो, that is flashing on your screen right now, उसके सेल के ऊपर और भी आपको डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. So do not forget to use my कूपन कोड जब भी आप Savannah से शॉपिंग करते हो, चाहे आप 1000 का ही शॉपिंग करिए हो, देखना ये कूपन कोड को लगाओगे तो आपको उस पर भी डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. So this is what the first item looks like. एक denim Bermuda shorts मैंने लिया है. I am a tall person, so I literally cannot go and wear those tiny shorts because काफी ज़्यादा छोटा हो जाता है. And अगर आप में से कोई uncomfortable है wearing those tiny shorts, you can go ahead and literally wear this sort of Bermuda shorts. You're gonna look so cute and you're gonna stay absolutely comfortable. So this is what the first item looks like. बहुत ही beautiful सा soft denim है. अक्सर ऐसे styles काफी ज़्यादा भारी होते हैं, भारी denim के भी होते हैं, but this is literally the softest denim that I have ever come across. So this is what the beautiful Bermuda shorts looks like. So this is what the shorts looks like. काफी सही quality है. I'm not even going to complain. खुद से अपने लिए मंगवा के देखना and see for yourself कि मैं झूठ बोल रही हूँ कि नहीं. You can literally go and wear your socks, your t-shirts and pair this up with any of your sneaker and literally you have your summer uniform ready. Comfortable के साथ साथ बहुत ज़्यादा chic भी लगेगी. Now let's move on to the next denim product that I got, and I have this beautiful denim skirt. मुझे ना काफ़ी ज़्यादा I was actually hesitant कि इतना लंबा सा denim skirt ले रही हूँ, फिट होगा कि नहीं, कैसा लगेगा मुझ पे. Although I do wear a lot of denim skirt, but ये वाला स्टाइल ना मुझे काफी ज्यादा चटपटा लगा, बहुत ज्यादा at the same time elegant लगा, but I was actually not sure if it's actually going to fit me. मैं दिखाती हूँ किसी वजह से. So this is a high-waisted light wash raw hem denim A-line skirt. Retails for 1690 rupees, but आपको ये अभी ऑफर में आपको मिल रहा है for 1400 rupees. Sizes again आपको extra small that is 26 से XL that is waist 33 तक आपको मिल रहा है. Flowy A-line denim skirt, and that's the only reason I was actually hesitant at first, but I really wanted to to go ahead and try this beautiful style. Summer के लिए this is literally going to be so perfect. So this is what the skirt looks like. I was literally dancing जब मैंने इसे try on करा because ये इतना खूबसूरत लग रहा था. बहुत ही simple sober सा denim skirt है, but it has this flowy silhouette that just looks so nice. It's not mermaidy. एक statement denim piece आप बोल सकते हो इसे. It's not a regular denim skirt कि आप फटाक से iron करके पहन लो and न्यू निकल पड़ो. It is definitely a statement denim piece. Now let me share with you guys a beautiful skirt that literally screams summer. ठीक है, ये आप देखोगे ना, you will be literally wanting to go ahead and add this to your cart because it is so beautiful and it screams summer. ठीक है, पूरा summer के लिए it is going to be so perfect. So this is this beautiful checkered flat maxi skirt retails for 990 rupees and sizes आपको small से XL तक का मिल जाएगा. The moment I saw it, I was like, add to cart immediately. Summer के लिए this is going to be so perfect. So this is what the beautiful skirt looks like. You guys, look at that. It is so cute. पूरा checkered detailing है and it has elastic. ठीक है, I think it's a mix of polyester as well as cotton. This is what you should literally add to your cart immediately and look so nice and so gorgeous. The next dress is something that I literally fell in love. मुझे ना कुछ दिखा नहीं कि size होगा कि नहीं, फिट होने वाला है कि नहीं, बिकॉज द मोमेंट आई सॉ द पिक्चर आई वाज लाइक कुछ फिट हो चाहे ना हो, मैं ये ड्रेस लेने वाली हूँ बिकॉज आई लिटरली फेल इन लव विद द डिजाइन. मुझे इस तरीके का स्वीट हार्ट नेक बस्टियर डिटेलिंग वाले टॉप्स वगैरह ड्रेसेस वगैरह काफी ज्यादा मुझे पसंद है. सो दिस इज द फिश टेल ड्रेस फॉर जस्ट 1190 रुपीज. ज्यादा महंगा नहीं है, 1000 रुपीज का ही है. एंड आपको ये दो कलर्स में मिल जाएंगे, दैट इज ब्लैक, दैट इज पोल्का डॉटेड ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट, एंड आपको एक रेड डीप मरून शेड में मिल जाएगा. इफ यू आर looking for a casual dress but also want to look so much more put together, this is literally it. Quality, the fabric is literally so perfect for summers. So this is what the beautiful dress looks like. Comes with an adjustable strap. Then the front looks like this. Like I said, I love anything that has this bustier detailing ताकि आपको बहुत ज़्यादा एक feminine look दे and बहुत ज़्यादा ladylike look दे. This is what the dress looks like. You just cinch your whole body and then नीचे से हल्का सा एक mermaid वाला fish tail वाला detailing है. That just looks so nice. So here you go. This is what the try on looks like. I love it. Looks so nice. I'm pretty sure you're going to love me for recommending this. Now I'm left with just 3 tops जो मैंने order करा है. So the very first top that I ordered is this beautiful tank top. ठीक है, एक दो मैंने बहुत ही normal regular summer के लिए top मैंने मंगाया है just to pair it up with literally anything, with my skirts, my trouser, my jeans, anything. ठीक है, so this is this regular tank top for 490 rupees and इसका आपको sizes extra small से large तक मिल जाएगा. This is what it looks like. I'm literally so sad that मुझे again return करना होगा क्योंकि ये हल्का सा मेरे लिए छोटा हो चुका है. So this is what the beautiful top looks like. Like I said, ये sleeveless, इसका detailing है and इसका neck कुछ sweet heart neck वाला detailing है. That literally looks and screams summer. अगर आपको H&M के इस image top बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, please go ahead and save your money and get this from Savannah. You're paying 490 rupees and there on H&M and Zara, you're literally paying 890. $8.99, $9.99 for such, and similar looking tops. So the next top that I freaking fell in love with is this beautiful calf sleeve top. It is for just 490 rupees and आपको sizes extra small से large तक मिल जाएगा and it comes in this one single color, black में आपको मिल जाएगा and this is what it looks like, you guys. So this is the beautiful square neck wala top that I ordered and I freaking love it. It looks so beautiful, makes it look so much more polished, so put together, and you can literally pair this with anything and तुरंत आप बहुत ज़्यादा polished, बहुत ज़्यादा effortlessly chic लगने वाली हो. So left with one top, क्योंकि एक और top मैंने कहाँ रखा है मुझे याद में नहीं है, and it is this beautiful ruffle top. Retails for 890 rupees. Colors आपको white and पिंक में मिल जाएगा. साइज आपको एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल से एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज तक का मिल जाएगा एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर आई ऑर्डर दिस इन द साइज एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल, द स्मॉलेस्ट साइज, क्योंकि अगैन आई हैव सीन कि ये स्ट्रेचेबल है. ओके, एंड द पिक्चर लुक्स लाइक दिस. आई रियली वांटेड टू गो ahead and get something that is so pretty and so feminine like, and this is the reason I went and got this. And this is what it looks like. The quality is so good. ये 100% कॉटन का आप बोल सकते हो and it is not very stretchable but हल्का सा stretchable है, तो इसीलिए आप अपना साइज साइज या फिर एक साइज स्मॉल भी ले सकते हो. मैंने एक साइज स्मॉल लिया है, इन द साइज एक्स्ट्रा स्मॉल, एंड इट लिटरली फिट्स सो ब्यूटिफुली. अगेन समर्स के लिए दिस इज गोइंग टू बी सो परफेक्ट. आई कैन पेयर दिस विद द स्कर्ट एंड आप सोच पा रहे हो कितना ब्यूटिफुल एक आउटफिट हो सकता है. सो दिस इज व्हाट द लास्ट आइटम लुक्स लाइक. इफ आई हैव टू recommend, you know, any one or two product, this would literally be it. Then the fishtail polka dotted dress and the denim skirt. These are literally worth every single penny. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Again, zarur go ahead and use my coupon code whenever you're shopping on Savannah to actually go ahead and get extra discount and save more money. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Tab tak ke liye, take care and bye bye.